Imagine this. You're speaking to a woman you really like and you want to impress her. You want to keep her engaged and make her feel something, but instead, the conversation falls flat. She smiles politely, but deep down, she's already checked out. Sound familiar? Here's the reality. Most men struggle to keep a woman hooked in a conversation. Hello, everyone. Today, I want to share an essential truth that every man needs to understand in order to earn a woman's respect right away. While researching female psychology and the factors that drive attraction, I came across a saying that completely made me rethink everything. Many men either try too hard to impress or freeze up completely. But what if I told you there's a way to make her hang on to your every word? It's not about looks, money, or status. It's about sparking emotion. And the secret? Asking the right questions. In this video, I'm sharing 6 powerful questions that will change the game. These aren't shallow, boring questions. These are the kinds of questions that will make her intrigued, excited, and drawn to you. So, if you're ready to stand out from the majority of men and create a connection that she won't forget, let's dive in. First, what's the most attractive quality you look for in a man? When you ask her this, you're doing something most men never do. You're showing that her thoughts and feelings matter. Many men try to impress women by talking about their achievements, wealth, or status. But attraction isn't about what you own. It's about how you make her feel. By asking this question, you're making her think deeply. She's not just responding with surface-level traits like looks or confidence. She's telling you what really draws her in emotionally. Maybe it's ambition, emotional intelligence, or a good sense of humor. Whatever it is, you now have insight into what she values. The key here: a stoic man listens without judgment. He doesn't change himself to fit her answer, he simply observes. If she values honesty, he remains truthful, not just with her, but with himself. If she values confidence, he builds it by mastering his emotions and actions. Her answer isn't just about what she wants, it's also about what she notices in you. The moment she responds, she begins analyzing whether you possess that quality. If you do, she feels an emotional pull toward you. If you don't, but you stay composed and self-assured, she'll still be intrigued. Confidence, patience, and emotional control make you stand out. Most men talk. A stoic man listens. That's why he wins. Next, what do you value most in a relationship? This question shifts the conversation from attraction to connection. Many men try to impress by boasting about their qualities, but a real connection is made when she feels understood. By asking this, you're inviting her to reflect on what truly matters to her. She might say trust, communication, loyalty, or emotional support. And here's where you can stand out. You don't just listen, you absorb. A stoic man doesn't just promise loyalty, he lives it. He doesn't just say he communicates well, he shows it through his actions. If she values emotional stability, he doesn't get upset over small things. If she values adventure, he lives a life full of purpose. Here's the deeper trick. When she shares what she values, she starts imagining you in that role. If she values deep conversations and you've already made her think deeply, she's already feeling drawn to you. If she values trust and you show emotional control, she feels safe with you. A weak man hears what a woman wants and tries to fake it. A strong man listens, reflects, and becomes better, not just for her, but for himself. That's the difference between temporary attraction and lasting desire. Third, what do you enjoy most about intimate moments with someone you trust? This question goes beyond physical attraction. It dives into emotional connection, something most men overlook. But emotional connection is the key to making a woman deeply attached to you. When you ask this, you're not just asking about physical intimacy. You're asking what makes her feel safe, cherished, and emotionally fulfilled. Maybe she says she loves feeling completely understood, or she values late-night unfiltered conversations. Perhaps it's the simple joy of holding hands or laughing together. By asking this question, you make her imagine those moments with you. You're no longer just a guy. You become someone she mentally connects with on a deeper level. This creates a powerful psychological bond. But a Stoic man doesn't just listen to her answer to use it as a trick. He understands that true connection comes from being present, making her feel safe without needing constant validation. He doesn't force intimacy. He lets it build naturally through trust, patience, and emotional control. When she shares something this personal, don't rush to respond with a compliment or joke. Pause, absorb, and let her feel that you truly value what she's saying. That moment of silence makes her feel heard, and that's rare. If she tells you what makes her feel most connected, she's revealing what she's looking for in a man. If you embody those qualities, you don't have to chase her. She'll be drawn to you. 4. What's something you've always wanted to try but haven't yet? Ever wanted to ask a woman something that truly sparks excitement and curiosity? Something that taps into her dreams, secret desires, and adventurous side? Asking, what's something you've always wanted to try but never have? Does exactly that. This question takes her beyond the present, allowing her to imagine experiences she's longed for but never pursued. Maybe it's skydiving, learning a new language, traveling to an exotic destination, or even something as simple as dancing in the rain without a care for what others think. Now, here's where the magic happens. By asking this question, you've become part of her dream. You're positioning yourself as someone who encourages her to explore, to grow, and to step out of her comfort zone. While most men try to impress women by talking about their achievements, a Stoic man sparks excitement by making a woman see new possibilities for herself. He listens, understands, and subtly challenges her fears. If she says she's always wanted to try something but never has, ask her why not. Is it fear, time, or self-doubt holding her back? By encouraging her to open up, you make her feel deeply connected to you because you understand her on a level that most men don't. And here's the best part. If you align with her passions, you now have a future planned together. Whether it's traveling, learning a new skill, or breaking free from her fears, she will subconsciously link those dreams with you. A weak man tries to impress, but a strong, Stoic man makes her excited about life, and that excitement will make her crazy about him. Next, what's the most attractive thing in a man? Something that drives you crazy. This question unlocks the core desires of a woman. It's not just about looks, money, or status. It's about what truly excites her. Many men assume women are only attracted to superficial traits, but attraction runs much deeper. When you ask this, you make her reflect on the qualities that make a man irresistible. Maybe it's quiet, unshakable confidence, not loud or arrogant, but strong and steady. Maybe it's intelligence, someone who speaks with purpose and depth. Or perhaps it's emotional strength, the ability to stay calm under pressure and handle life's storms without losing control. By listening to her answer, you learn what she values most. If she says she's drawn to a man who knows what he wants and goes after it, she likely respects ambition. If she values a man who can make her laugh, you'll know she enjoys a playful, light-hearted energy. But here's the real secret. You don't just listen, you embody those traits. A woman isn't just attracted to what you say. She's drawn to who you are. A man who understands Stoicism knows that true attraction isn't about impressing a woman, but becoming the kind of man who naturally attracts her. If she sees those qualities in you, she won't be able to resist, and this isn't manipulation, it's self-improvement. Moving on, If you could relive one moment in your life, what would it be? This question opens a window into the most cherished memories of her life. It's not just about nostalgia, it's about understanding what truly matters to her. Maybe it's a childhood moment when she felt completely free, a family gathering filled with love, or a romantic night that made her heart race. By asking this, you're showing deep interest in her emotions. You're allowing her to share a piece of her soul with you, and when someone recalls a beautiful memory, they associate those warm feelings with the person who asked them to remember it, you. This creates an emotional bond and makes her feel closer to you. The key is to listen intently, ask follow-up questions, and connect with her emotions. If she talks about traveling, share a dream destination of yours. If she recalls overcoming a struggle, appreciate her strength. This builds intimacy and makes her feel valued. A Stoic man understands the importance of the present moment. If she cherishes a moment of joy, remind her that life is full of opportunities to create more of those moments. By making her feel heard and understood, you naturally draw her closer. Deep connections are what truly make someone crazy about you. In conclusion, asking the right questions isn't just about making small talk, it's about creating emotional depth and connection. Each of these 6 questions opens a doorway to a woman's heart and mind, helping her feel understood, valued, and deeply drawn to you. By showing genuine interest in her thoughts, desires,